learned.
Where'd you get that?
Zach,
You did it?
He's like, you want this? I'm like,
Yeah, dude.
Here, camera. Bang. Big trouble. Yeah.
So for now, that's off limits. We'll probably do a game later where we do that. That's pretty much all I got to say, so let's pick some teams. I'll be a team captain. Who else wants to be a team captain?
Looks like it's Clark. I'd say Brian.
Brian's got a pistol.
Start off. Hey, Bo. Yeah. If you shoot somebody, do you get their gun?
No.
This isn't like Call of Duty where you die.
Actually, Brian, I do want you to be a team captain because you know the place best and you know the game best.
What?
I do want you to be team captain because you know the game best, you know the place best. Well, everybody here.
Does Jeffrey, does your gun work?
The gun stays. Use it. You get first pick.
I get first pick?
If this is Call of Duty.
Let's see who we got going on here. Go, Damien. Damien. I got you. Whoa!
Just so you know, I'm just gonna roll around on that one.
You're a one.
Yeah, there aren't any barriers, but just don't be stupid. Like, if you go out and hide in the woods by yourself, you're just not playing the game right.
Jay, what?
I feel like I have luscious hair.
I'll tell you what, I gotta piss, and I don't want to get a video camera of me pissing, you know.
Yeah, I know. Throw play, Brian. It's okay. It works good enough. We're all dead.
Let's go with Zach.
I just picked that.
You did?
Yeah.
How'd you get Zach?
Oh, not that Zach. Damien.
I got Damien.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. He's the first pick. He's my #1 draft.
Jeffrey's pointing right
This
at
thing
you.
sucks to
Jeffrey,
load.
don't.
Yeah.
Shoot me too soon.
Taylor.
It could
You're going to be sweating balls off.
Not pick me. It's
Once you get running around.
Anthony.
You know, I expect
Taylor, you would have enjoyed our lunch.
No, I have waffle gear on.
I haven't had 2 pairs of socks.
Cold.
Probably a bad pick.
I said that when I was
That was just from the game.
Did you pick Dane? Huh? Did you pick Drew and Dane?
You're on the left side of Jacob.
Let's go with Mason.
Jacob the barrier.
Mason.
I am the barrier.
Brian, that was a bad decision.
I am Alpha and Omega without the Alpha and Omega.
Did you pick Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Let's go with Jordan.
Oh, I thought you were big sexy. Yeah, well, both of your guns kind of suck.
Yeah.
I was going for the. I was saying for the gun.
We get both Moors.
His, like, he'll cock it back and he'll probably just stay back and he'll be like, oh, what do I do?
If it does it, it's this way button.
I run out, that's gonna swing it for me. So I have to take my shots to you and fall between.
You gotta make them.
Hey,
You guys start off in the bottom of the bar and we'll start off in the. Now I gotta reload it, Dan.
shit, now I can't use mine. What are we doing?
I gotta reload it.
Yeah. Put my helmet on, I gotta get official.
I have, but I'm gonna run by the house when I get down here, and then.
3, 2, 1, go!
Battery's about dead on that.
Hey, who's trying to Jamie? I got it. Yeah.
He's in focus.
Can we go inside this house?
Yeah.
Can we?
Oh yeah.
Bo! Can I go inside this house?
Jeffrey, did you do anything?
Well,
That sniper didn't work.
Or did you do anything except get shot?
Pistol party.
Jacob Clark, when you came out that door, I about shot you.
Oh yeah, no, a lot of people almost shot me. Which I don't see how.
No, because I didn't see the
I
colors.
am decked head to toe in orange.
I didn't see the colors when I first
I
went
know.
out there.
You were sitting there and you were like that, squatting with the camera.
I'll trade you
Man, I gotta look legit whenever I do some camera work.
I think that's all dangerous.
Let's see what you guys are talking about.
I'm trying to reload this bad boy.
Man,
Does it open?
who knows?
You think I'm afraid? You think I'm afraid?
Oh.
Oh, you about walked into that. Oh no, you were whizzing right past me. I'm like, oh Jesus. I was sitting there like,
Recording the entire thing.
What?
Just recording the entire thing.
Did you win, Bo?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, Bo won. So did Briar's team lose? Well, actually, technically, now you're on Bo's team. So
we're all.
I guess you just all became one giant team and one as a whole. That's real nice. That's a sweet story.
How's my AK doing, Bo?
Mischievous. Mischievous.
Smell. You see my own gun? Yeah. Don't shoot me in the face. I'm gonna go gangster. Where'd you get these things? Straight in your face, son. You're supposed to put the coveralls on and then you jack so you don't look so ridiculous.
Well, I don't care. I look ridiculous. I'm not hurt. I bet that hurt if I shot you.
Yeah, that one, it hurts a little bit more because it's BB gun. This thing is.
That's pretty quick. That's a pretty quick little guy.
Yeah. That's one pump. Yeah. I've had that since I was like 8. Oh. Yeah. Know how it feels now.
That's right. I'm not even loaded.
I was like, okay. And then like half your team just wandering around the field. I was like, I got you.
You'd be disqualified.
Whatever.
Yes. Unless you shot me in the coat because it doesn't hurt there.
Oh yeah, you got it.
Ta-da!
Face shot. Oh god, that would be bad.
That would be disqualification.
Disqualified.
Jeffrey's crazy, guys. Jeffrey's crazy.